In this video, we're going to go through the steps of how to find distributors in the US and in Europe for products that you're interested in selling on your Shopify stores. So make sure to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Elle McCann from Curious Themes Web Development Studio in Nashville, Tennessee. We have been Shopify experts for over 5 years now, and I am so excited to be partnering with the app Spocket to bring you this video today. So the Spocket app, as we've mentioned in our previous 2 videos all about dropshipping, it features US and European distributors and products that can ship out very quickly and are verified. So you know that it's a great quality product, your customers are going to receive it fast, and they're going to be happy with it as well. So we're going to hop into my computer now, and I'm going to show you exactly how to set up the Spocket app. But first, before I do, make sure to click the link below in the description, and you can get signed up with a free trial there for Spocket, and you can follow along with me. And also, if you click the link below, it means that you'll be getting a 15% off discount. So again, thanks so much to our partners at Spocket for offering that to you today. Okay, enough talk. Let's head into my computer and let's start setting it up. Okay, great. So if you have clicked the link in the description below, then it will take you to the Spocket website, which you can enter your email address here and start your free trial. It's a 7-day free trial. They do have a, as it says here, forever free plan, which I'm going to hop over to their pricing page real quick, because I find that their pricing is super affordable. So the basic plan here is free, and it includes 25 products and unlimited orders, which is fantastic because a lot of other apps will charge per order, and they kind of limit you for a smaller amount at the beginning. And it also includes real-time inventory updating, which means that if a supplier sells the product through another Shopify store, you're not going to accidentally oversell and again have angry customers, as well as shipment tracking numbers for orders, which is really helpful for customer support. So there's a lot included on the basic free plan, but there's also a lot on their next plan up, which also includes premium products and my favorite here, which is the branded invoicing. So that way you can add your logo and brand information there, which is great as you're trying to build up your brand. Okay, so I've actually already added the Spocket app to my Shopify store. So I'm going to come over here to the back end and I can see it here. So I'm under apps over here on the left hand side, and I'm just going to click into the Spocket app. So instantly it takes me to the product search so that we can start finding products. We're actually going to be covering finding products in the next video and exactly what to look for and adding those products to your store. So in this video, we're going to kind of look at how to find suppliers specifically in certain countries, as well as setting up the app itself. So as you can see up here, there's a product search, and you can actually search by location. So if you are, for example, like me in the US, and I know I want to find a supplier that's also in the US, so that way I can have really fast shipping times, you can click in here, the select by location, and you can choose your ships from country as well as ships to country. So you can kind of see the different options that we have here. So I want to ship it from the United States. Again, they have Canada, and then they have a lot of European countries as well. So let's go ahead and just hit United States. And you could fill this in. I am going to be accepting international orders, so I'm going to keep that blank, but I want to make sure that it ships from the United States. And once I do that, you can see everything change below. These are the products that are specifically being sold in the US, so you can see the flag here. And once you kind of see, okay, you know, this brand, Celeste, they have a few products that I like, you can actually then search by supplier right here. And so I can go and scroll directly to Celeste, and I can see exactly what it is they offer, all of the products that they have. So if I wanted to stick with specific suppliers, then I could do that. So again, we're going to cover this in more detail of how to search and add products to your store in the next video. But I wanted to show you first of how easy it is to find people that are going to be shipping from the location that you want. And then once you find a brand, because they are listed out of what brand it is, how it's very easy to then search and see what all they offer. So let's go in now and finish setting up the Spocket app. It doesn't take very long. So we're just going to hit settings over here in the bottom left hand corner. And so we have our account settings, which is already being pulled over from Shopify. If we go to automated orders, you'll need to add in a credit card. So this would be a business credit card that will be used to process payments and transactions. So whenever a product is ordered on your site, this credit card is then used to purchase the product with the supplier and pay for the shipping cost. And that's done through Stripe. So you will need to make sure to get started to add in a credit card there. Also, the next section is the branded invoicing, which I mentioned was in that Pro plan. So you can add your logo in here, a contact email address, phone number if you want, and a personal note like a thank you, or you can add in a discount code for repeat purchases. Next, we have the global pricing rules. So in the first area, you can set your global markup. So this is really helpful if you're wanting to kind of do a default. So as you go in and start importing products and getting them set up, it'll automatically kind of create this default. So we could put in 20% right here if we knew that we wanted to mark up all products by a 20% rate. So that way it would give you a 20% margin. You can also choose to make this a multiplier, so like a 1.5 or a 2 times multiplier, or a fixed price. So the fixed price would be best if they were kind of all similar products, all similar pricing, and you knew that you wanted to make, $10 across the board profit on every piece. You also have these advanced pricing rules, so we can turn these on and we can actually set the markup by range. So if we hit add here, you can see that we can go from, if the product's from 0 to, let's say, $10, we want to do a fixed amount of $5 additional for profit. And you could kind of create it in different ranges like that. You can also come in here and define how you want to round your prices or not round your prices. So if you wanted to have them even numbers, you could just put in a 00 here. If you wanted all of your products to end in 99, so it would be, $10.99, then you could add in 99 cents here, or however you want that to round off. Next, you have the pricing plans area, which we already kind of touched on a little bit, but if you wanted to try out one of the other plans, so this is our free one right now that we're on, so the next one up is the Pro. So if you knew that you wanted to start out with the Pro plan for different products, they have the premium products, or the branded invoicing, you could go ahead and click here and get switched to the 7-day free trial for Pro or for Empire. And lastly, we have security, which is where you're going to change your password if you want to. Again, kind of make sure that it is a secure password so that your site is not going to be compromised in any way. So we're going to go through the other areas of the Spocket app in the next video, so make sure to stay tuned. We'll show you exactly how to find products that you want to ship through Spocket and add them to your store and customize them before you push them out to your store as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to click below to subscribe if you haven't yet, so that you are the first to be notified of any new videos that we put up to our channel all about Shopify and how to grow your online store. Also, check out the videos over here that you might also be interested in as well. And don't forget to comment below with your thoughts on this video and what products you're considering on dropshipping for your Shopify store. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.